Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. The security issue on cars is very important. If you notice here, somebody tried to break this car and go away with it. Even he broke the immobilizer antenna, and everything doesn't work. So the car will not start if it doesn't see the chip or if it didn't see the key, even though no matter what you do. This is for also one of the solenoid that's sitting there. They damage everything. Nothing is work. Stay with me. So now they change the immobilizer. They change everything on it, and he get some keys from online. It coming the whole cylinder unit, but the key doesn't have a chip, I believe. So he took the chip from the old one. See here. And he put it there in this place. This is the old chip. It still doesn't want to work because the immo was changed. So I'm gonna try to go to immobilizer. The immo module was changed, and whenever you change this piece, you see that you even solder it, yeah? It doesn't work. So I'm gonna go to by VIN, auto detect. Hopefully nothing wrong with it. Okay, it's not connected here yet, right? Okay, because I was talking and I did not put it on. Okay, it's here. Okay, now you're gonna see green. It will light up here. Let me cancel this. Accept the disclaimer. In a few minutes, we're gonna see some connection here. If it doesn't come up, that means we have a problem. You see VCI is connected. Now we need it to the car. So I go by, where is Honda? Asian car. Honda. Sometime you'll be able to program it. What is system here? You say select the system. I don't know what you mean by that. Immobilizer Honda. Okay, ignition is on. Sometime will not work unless you have to check. You use a dealer tools. Is that the case? We have to do it.
Yeah, okay. Somebody comfortable for me? I want this to weigh a little bit, okay? Oh yeah, cool.
Configure the car. We're gonna wait a little bit. You wanna go somewhere?
I have customer waiting for me, man. Shit.
Where is that?
Right here. Hey, this is 18 hours.
So no problem. You wanna go there? I finish. I come to you. If I finish, yeah. Nobody do anything. I'm just
No,
here.
I know. I told you. Listen,
So,
I know.
no, that's no problem. I gotta look at it. If anything, I call you. I come to. Okay, now third generation. Okay, what is it? I gotta go to immobilizer replacement. Sometime, yeah, the key is supposed to be the same. So let me see what the communication gonna say. How many key you have, right? Let me put one first, or I can get another. So let me just put the one. If the one end is good, enter. Okay. If everything okay, that's supposed to start blinking fast. Or let's see what it say. Do we need internet? I am not sure. Establish communication. If not, I will. Okay, tell the queue is 5 minutes, 15 seconds. No, there is some fuse or something happened there. Because if you turn the ignition off, it shouldn't go off like this completely. Just let's see what gonna say. Establish communication. Give me the VIN number, please.
Whole VIN number?
Yeah, let me write it. You can read it for me, or you give me. Say okay. I don't want like when you turn the ignition on, off like this. You're supposed to have something like the radio, all accessory working. Maybe
when we change the battery,
hold on.
we change one time the battery, and then the stuff.
Yeah, if there
start working, it stop
yeah,
working.
we have code there, so it's okay now. Let's see what turn the ignition off. Yeah, within 15 seconds. Start blinking the AC.
Yeah.
On. You see the line, you have to do it before. Turn the ignition off. I don't know why, but there is something. Hopefully, okay, we're good. We're good. Light go off. Say okay. Turn ignition off. Turn the ignition on. It's good. Was completed. Check if the all key. Turn the ignition on. I did one, so I okay. I don't want to do the other one. Maybe when they get a chance, they come. I do it for him. But this is more important.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I don't. Whatever you're ready, we can do the other one because. Okay, you have the piece to set it up, right?
Yeah. Nah,
I don't want
put a glue over there or something.
Yeah, put something there and then case close. The other one, whenever he get a time driving, he can come to me. I add it for him.
All right. Yeah, we do over there.
Yeah, thank you.